Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you're fine and doing well. Today's lesson is very easy and very simple, which is writing Hamza at the middle of the word. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. It's very simple. Yeah. So this is our lesson today. Hamza at the middle of the word. Are you ready to start our lesson today? So let's get started. Here we have we can write down Hamza. As you can see, Hamza comes at the beginning of the word, also comes at the middle of the word, and the end of the word. So this is Hamza at the beginning of the word. As you can see, so sometimes Hamza is up, sometimes Hamza is down, sometimes no Hamza at all. This is how can we write down Hamza at the middle. It's like this Hamza on the letter Ya, or Wow, or Alif, or Hamza on the line, or at the end the same. So there are many things, but today we start with the middle, with how can you write Hamza on the middle of the word, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy that lesson too much. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so as we agreed, we're talking about Hamza at the middle of the word, and we have here we have a word. Okay, so we want to join this word. We want to join these letters. We have letters here. We want to join them together. We have this letter ba, we have a, we have ra. Okay, so how can we write down the letter a, the letter hamza? How can we do it? How can we do it? Yeah, because first, so this is the question. How can we write the letter hamza at the middle of the word? How can we join it with with the previous letter? And first of all, we have to ask yourself the question. Do you know the options we already have for the letter Hamza? Yeah, I can write down like this. I can write down like this one, or this one. Now I'm confused. I cannot know which one to choose. So now I'm going to tell you the answer. It's very simple and easy. Just once you know the rule, you can apply it for any word. Let's get started. So let's try together. Here are some letters, or let's say some words. We want to join them. We want to join these letters to form a word. And as you notice that most of them there's Hamza at the middle of the word. Yeah, all of them already have the letter Hamza at the middle of the word. We want to join them together to form a word. How can we do it? Easy and simple. Let's see how. There's a rule, or I myself call it. The rule is the strongest wins. Which strongs I mean here? I mean the harakat. What I mean by harakat is the vowels, which are the fatha or the kasra or the dhamma or sukun. So the strongest among them should come first. The strongest amongst the marks with the harakat, with the vowels, which are fatha, kasra, dhamma, sukoon, wins. So we don't know who or which one is the strongest. So let's see together. We have like this. We have the first, we have the second one, we have the third, we have the fourth. Okay, what is the first? What is the strongest among them all? The strongest among them all is kasra. Kasra is the strongest ever between among the harakat, among the vowels. So comes dhamma next. Then comes the fatha, and the last haraka is sukun. It's not haraka, it's sukun. So this is the last to be, it's the weakest. So we have the strongest here, kasra, then dhamma, then fatha, then sukun. Okay, now we know the strongest. What should we do about them? Wait a minute. Before telling you what to do, let's see how can the Hamza come with Kasra? We want to know how Hamza the letter Hamza comes with kasra. So with kasra it comes like this one. So Hamza with kasra comes like this. Okay, and this is with dhamma. With dhamma comes this way, and this is with fatha comes this way. And the last one, as you can see, with sukoon comes this way. Okay, so what should we do? What should we do now? Now we know the strongest. We know the strongest haraka. We know how the letter hamza comes with each one. So what's next? Easy. Next is, let's see here. Let's apply this. Okay, let's apply the strongest the rule which I said the strongest ones here. The first example here we have the letter ba, we have the letter hamza. Letter ba, does it have it has kasra? Yeah, letter ba has kasra. And letter hamza has sukoon. So usually, look here, usually I look at the previous letter before hamza. That's it. Through the previous letter before Hamza, usually this is Hamza and this is the letter before. Usually they're fighting together. Who is stronger? Yeah. So what is before Hamza here is letter Ba. Which haraka does it have? It has kasra. Oh, so which is stronger? Kasra? Kasra stronger or sukoon stronger? Yeah, of course, kasra stronger. So it will be like this. Yeah, so this is the shape of the letter of Hamza with kasra because kasra is stronger than sukun. So let's do the next one. We have b and we have a, we have ru. Yeah, so we have kasra here. So the letter Hamza, and see what is the letter before. The letter before it has kasra. Yeah, it has kasra. And the Hamza, it has fatha. So which is stronger, fatha or kasra? You can look back at this picture. So kasra is stronger than fatha. So it will be like this. This is the Hamza is the shape which comes with kasra. So the third example here we have the letter ba, which has bu with dhamma, the letter a with fatha. So we have Hamza, it has fatha, and ba has dhamma. So which is stronger? Dhamma is stronger or fatha stronger? It's dhamma stronger. Yeah, because here dhamma comes the second place and fatha comes the third place. So it will be like, can you guess? Like this, exactly. So comes to the last example. We have Hamza, it has sukoon, and the letter before it has fatha. Which is stronger, fatha stronger or sukoon stronger? Of course, fatha stronger than sukoon because sukoon is the weakest. So it will be like this. That's it. That is very easy and very simple. Okay, do you like it? Good. Now there's something I didn't tell you. I really want to tell you about that. Which is now there's something else, which is when Hamza, when the letter Hamza has fatha, has the mark fatha on it, okay, and it preceded by any of these letters, the letter waw or letter alif, okay, so Hamza would be like this. Or if it was preceded by the letter ya, so Hamza would be like that one. That's it. Easy and simple. So let's try together. Here we have an example. This example. Okay, look here. This is a, okay, and this is Hamza. So a was preceded by this letter, which is Hamza was preceded by this letter alif. So how can we do it? Try. So it will be like this one. تفاءل تفاءل تفاءل. Okay. The second example is we have here the second example. Look here. We have the letter waw and the letter Hamza. So Hamza it has fatha and preceded by the letter waw. Yeah. So it will be like this. مروءة مروءة. Okay. And the last example we have the letter ya here and the letter Hamza, and Hamza has fatha and was preceded by the letter ya. So it will be like that one. That's easy and simple. But remember that the letter alif here, alif in the first example, alif is alif and waw and ya here. All these letters are called حروف المد, stretched letters, which means that the conditions of that alif here, it has fatha before. Yeah, it has fatha before alif. And the letter waw here, it has dhamma before. And the letter ya, it has kasra before. That's why we call them حروف المد, the stretched letter. Okay, that's it, and easy and simple. This is the rule. This is the rule. How can you put the letter Hamza in the middle of the word? Easy. Yeah. So now this is the time. Now this is the time to practice. I want you to practice these letters and make a word. Okay, and once you finish, just send me you writing. I am waiting for you writing to be sent to me. Okay, that's it. Easy. So see you next time. And next time I will explain the Hamza at the end of the word. How can we write Hamza at the end of the word? That's it for today. Thank you so much. مع السلامة.